In 3, 2, 1. Candy, she's sweet like candy in my veins. Baby, I'm dying for another taste. And every night my mind is running around her. Thunder's getting louder and louder. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, your electric love. Drown me, you make my heart beat like the rain. Surround me, hold me deep beneath your waves. And every night my mind is running around her. Thunder's getting louder and louder. And baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, your electric love. Ooh. I feel your energy rushing through me. I feel your energy rushing through me. I feel your energy rushing through me. Baby, you're like lightning in a bottle. I can't let you go now that I got it. And all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, your electric love. Ooh. Baby, your electric love. We did it. What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for watching this ukulele cover and play along for Electric Love on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on the YouTubes. That was pretty high, but anyways, I'll try to make sure you're paying attention. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke you're playing in this video? Well, this is a tenor-sized Enya ukulele. It's a solid mahogany uke. If you're in the market for a beautiful and affordable uke, Enya is definitely got your back. They also do have concert and soprano uke, so I'll leave a link down below for this specific uke. Highly recommend. If you watch my videos previously, you'll know that I play this uke a lot because I do love it. Yes, I did kiss my uke. Also, talking about links in the description, links to the merch. Currently wearing the Potato Squad hoodie, and we do also have the Uke Fam merch as well. If you want to support this channel, link for that will be down below. Also, links to all of my socials. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to add me, friend me, send me a DM, letting me know what video you came from. And also, please, please, please leave your song recommendations in the comments of this video or any future videos you want me to do on this channel. Make sure to write those down in the comments. I love reading them and also listening to your suggestions, and just maybe, the next video might be your song. So just let me know down below. But that is it for me. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.